Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Are you looking for the perfect dessert for Valentine's Day? Let's get started. Start out by washing and drying all of your strawberries. Make sure they aren't wet or the chocolate won't stick to them. I like to use 3 different kinds of chocolate. Here I have half a cup of milk, white, and semi-sweet, each in their own bowls. Adding a little bit of vegetable or canola oil to the chocolate will help give it a nice shine when the chocolate has cooled down. I am going to be melting the chocolate using the microwave. You can also use the double boiler method, where you place the chocolate in a bowl over a pot of boiling water. But for ease, today I'll be using the microwave. Place the bowl in the microwave for 30 seconds. Stir and cook for another 30 seconds. Keep doing this until the chocolate is melted. Please make sure to stir the chocolate after every 30 seconds. This will help prevent you from burning it, and nobody wants burnt chocolate. To dip the strawberries, take a berry and pull back on the leaves. Holding the leaves, dip the strawberry and twist it until the chocolate has covered all around the berry. Hold the strawberry and let the excess chocolate drip off. Place the strawberry on a parchment-lined baking sheet. This will help them from sticking. It also makes it easier if you tip your bowl and scrape all of the chocolate to one side. Then the strawberry has more chocolate to be dipped in at one time. Continue to dip the strawberries into the chocolate of choice, making sure they don't touch each other while cooling down. I like to fluff up the leaves again after I've dipped them. This will make them look prettier. If you want to decorate your strawberries, the options are endless. If you want something simple, dip the strawberry in some chocolate, then using a spoon and a different chocolate, allow the chocolate to drizzle over the strawberry and then place on the parchment to cool. You can also dip the strawberry and cover with mini chocolate chips or with your favorite nut. Here I am using chopped peanuts. If you don't want your strawberries to have a flat bottom, you can insert a toothpick into the top of the berry, dip it into the chocolate, decorate as desired, and then place the toothpick into a styrofoam board to cool. This will keep the chocolate round all around the berry. If you want to be more precise with decorating, you can fill a ziploc bag with some chocolate, cut a tiny bit off the corner, and then use it to make perfect lines. In the comments below, tell me, what is your favorite treat to eat for Valentine's Day? After adding lines across the chocolate, you can take a toothpick and pull the chocolate down, creating a fun design. Dipping strawberries into chocolate is an easy, fun, and delicious treat for the holiday. This is something you can do with your children, or for that special someone in your life. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to give me a thumbs up. When you're all done dipping your chocolates, place them into the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the chocolate to completely cool and harden. Place the strawberries on your favorite platter and serve them up. Have fun decorating your strawberries and make it a new tradition in your home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. We will see you in the next video.